friends, my name is Rodiyah, and today we're going to learn how to create a rain effect in Scratch. So first we're going to open Chrome, which is already open in my case. I'm going to open Scratch. Oh yes, and then you join Scratch or sign in. I'll be signing in because I already have an account. Then when you signed in, you have to. Then when you signed in, you have to just. I'm not going to check my messages because it's probably just rubbish to do activities. Create. Now I am using touchpad, but well, I have a mouse because we're going to need to drag. We're going to delete Scratch Cat. You can add your own character if you want. If you want to make some kind of walking animation or something, because that could actually be useful. But now I'm just going to choose a backdrop because I'm too lazy to draw a backdrop myself. Now I have to look for a background. You don't have to be too lazy to draw a backdrop, but I just am because of no reason. I'm going to choose this background. I don't know why. And backdrops, well, we're not going to do anything there. And now we're going to add one flag click. Now I've started using the C mouse now. It's very laggy because I have to use a close. And now I'm going to I'm going to change color effects. Set color effect to 0. I'm not going to put it here. Now I'm going to change this to brightness effect. Maybe -70. That might be too much. Oh yes, it is too much. I can barely see anything. -50 maybe. This is quite okay, but the bench, it's too dark. -35. Okay, that's the problem with these kinds of backgrounds. These backgrounds that are from like images, it's really hard to change their brightness. So we're going to have to pick another background. Which background can I pick? I can't decide. There are 1 million backgrounds here, so I just have to pick one. Oops. Let's pick wall. Now -35 is too little. I'm going to change this to -50. Maybe. Too simple. Let me just draw my own background. I'm just going to do blue sky. Then I'm going to click on oval tool. Then I'm just going to draw oval. Finally, you can drag with this touchpad. Probably wondering what I'm doing. Just do what I am doing, and then it's going to look good. Then you're going to understand what I've been doing. I'm going to have to draw many ovals. Okay, make sure to make all of the ovals to be very thin, just like this. And now Control A. Then I'm going to just deselect this guy. Fill. Why does it say that the fill is different? The fill is not different. Okay, I'm just going to change it to white and linear gradient to nothing. And now I'm going to have to change some of their colors, which is quite the hardest part. Some darker, some of them have got to be darker. Many of them have to be darker actually, because we want to make a rain effect. Oh, okay. I've made you to guess what I'm doing now. I'm drawing whatever. If you don't know, then I'll leave it to you to guess. Oops. I'm supposed to press Control Z, Control Y. No, Control Y, Control Y. Okay. Now I'm going to add a green square. Okay, so now I'm going to add a green square. That's exactly green. This shade of green. I forgot to change it from linear gradient. Okay, there. And now if I press the fill tool, then change it to radial gradient. This gradient, I think it's called radial gradient. I don't know what it's called. Let me just make this to be not lime, lighter green. Oops. Now look, we can do this. Where is the sun going to be pointing? I think I drop this color, make it a little bit lighter. Now you can barely see it. Now the sun is going to be pointing here. Why does the green look so bland? Looks so bland on there. We're going to have to use fill tool again. Let's make it a little bit lighter there. Now we can see it. It's still too hard to see. Let's make it lighter. No, not this. There. Now we can delete all these other backdrops that we can't use. Now we're going to put this in the when flag clicked. What are those lines? Oh, that's probably just a glitch. So we're going to fix it later. I'm too lazy to fix it now. And now I'm going to paint sprites. Let me just unplug this. I don't use mouse now. And now we're going to have to convert it to bitmap. Probably wondering why, because you're probably think bitmap looks so pixelated. Bitmap is pixelated, and that's why I picked bitmap. Now we're going to want to create a blue line. Okay, make it more similar to this blue, so that it will not blend into the sky. 5, let's see. Not pixelated enough. 3. Okay, 3 is good. Now we have to set the X to 0 and Y to 0. Oops, 0. And now we're going to have to make pixelated lines, but they have to be only in the top there. Now I'm going to have to, oh no, yes, I forgot to install Scratch add-ons, because it's not the one I usually use. Scratch add-ons. onions there. We're going to need the onion skinning. It's all for crew. This is boring. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and then I'm just going to okay, never mind, I'm not going to do it now. I'm going to click add to Chrome, add extension, and then we'll have to wait. Maybe you can't sleep while you are waiting. Oh, this is boring. I'm going to pause the video so that you not have to wait for boringness. Okay, so I finished adding the add-ons. Okay. I'm not going to check those 2 messages because probably just do the activities. Now I'm going to have to write onion. Here, onion skinning. You turn it on. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to have to reload it. Save your project first, then reload it to see the onion skin. Okay, it's on and now. Not this glitch again. Oh no, never mind, it's on the background. I'll play. Now I can see onion skinning. Yay. Painted using, then turn on onion skinning. Now we can see the rain that we drew before. And now, oops. Convert it to bitmap. And oh, this is so annoying. We're going to have to take this color again because we reloaded it. Set it to 5. Set it to whatever number it was again. 3. Okay, I guess it was 3. And now we're going to have to draw rain. We're going to have to draw the ones we had before, except more down. Oops. Remember not to make it too long, or else it's ruined. I still wonder why some of them look like they're curved, but they're not curved. Like this one looks curved. Then you're going to want to add some more rains. Change another costume. Convert to bitmap again. And you just got to keep on doing that. So yeah, I'm going to start speeding it up, if you don't mind. Okay, never mind. I forgot to speed it up, so I'm just going to pause the recording and then I'll finish. Okay, so I know there are some lazy people out there that they're too lazy to do all of this, so let me show you a trick. Instead of doing all this, you can duplicate the first one. Then the first one's going to go to the here, and then I'll put it here and then convert it to vector for some odd reason. Then I'm going to use this tool to select everything. Then oops, undo. I'm going to have to add a big square nobody should be able to see there, like that, and then select this and flip it vertical. And now look, we have it at the bottom now, so now we can delete this. Now we're going to have to duplicate this again. Oops, and then go to costume 3, copy, paste in costume 7, which is in vector, move down a lot. And now for this part where I select this fill color, oops, no, color for the outline, not for the fill. Select this outline color, remove the fill. Have you guessed what I want to do yet? If not, then just continue watching. Set it to 2. Then I think it would be better to do this in bitmap, because everything else was done in bitmap. Oops, undo. Outlined. Thickness is 3. Change this color to the thickness to 2. Oops, 2, not 4. And now, oops, I'm not supposed to draw a circle there. And now, if you've guessed, I'm actually just drawing it to indicate that some have touched the ground. Oops. Oh, this is annoying. I should have converted everything to bitmap after I had done those minor and major adjustments. Soon we're going to have to convert it to vector. Oops, soon we're going to have to convert some of them to vector. Okay, so before we finish drawing all of these circles, we have to convert at least one to vector, like costume 3. Convert to vector. Now we'll have to go to the selection tool, copy, convert back to bitmap, circle. Now we can continue. Costume 2. And costume 1. Just going to draw these circles in each costume. But now, what about the one that we copied? Those ranks that we copied. That's where we're going to convert it to vector. Then we'll paste, move down, and then we'll copy and paste it. Flip it horizontal and flip it vertical. Move it down. Paste, move down, paste again, flip horizontal, flip vertical, move down. Okay, so you just repeat that process. Paste, paste again, flip horizontal, vertical, move down, paste, move down, paste again, flip horizontal, flip vertical, move down, paste, move down. We don't have to do that now. Paste, flip horizontal, put move, paste again, flip vertical, flip horizontal again, put up here. 7, paste, move down, paste again, flip vertical, flip horizontal again, then put it. We're almost done now. Now I have to go to code and oh, my hands are hurting now. When flag clicked, then in looks we're going to add change color effect by 25. Then we're going to change set color effect, set it to ghost and then 50. But I have to see which value is enough. 70. I think maybe 80. 80 is too big. 70. Okay, I think 70 is good. And now add if forever. Now let's see. And now let's look snap costume. Play. As you can see, it doesn't look very good. That's because I haven't added the wait 1 second. But not 1 second. We're going to set this to wait 77 seconds. I'm just joking, not wait 77 seconds. Now it's wait 0 seconds. Nothing is just 0. So now we'll write 0.1. Oh, 0.1. 0.01. Fine. Okay, now we're done. So now in backdrops there's still this glitch for some odd reason. Backspace, delete. I don't know what this glitch even is. Now I can't move it. And now, if you want to make this look better, costume 1, costume 2. What? Oh no, costume 3, costume 4, costume 5, costume 6, costume 7. Why are all of them big? Costume 1 normal, costume 2 flip horizontal, or flip. Costume 1 normal, costume 2 flip horizontal, costume 3 normal, flip horizontal, costume 4 normal, costume 5 flip horizontal, costume 6 flip horizontal, costume 7 normal. Now you can watch. You can also change the size to maybe 1000. Then we have to stop it, and it's going to be hard to move this up, but we're going to have to move it up. Then play. I make the rain look bigger, but that's not what we want. We want our normal 100, and now it looks like it's raining in only one place, so we're going to set x to 0 by 0. Very good. Save now. Saving project saved. that's the end of today's tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. And also, so today I wanted to assign you something. So the assignment is that you should want to try to make a project with this. Go to share it and then send the link to this email. You're going to have to send it to this ObaFeedback@gmail.com when you've done. So bye. Remember, send this to ObaFeedback@gmail.com. Bye.